Data reporting. Reporting is used to get the information about the current state of the data. Report's output format is data object and it's configured in the XML config file. Configurations can be overwritten or extended by the child extensions. Let's start with Simple Case. Here I've created Training Simple Item Audit XML file. The name is chosen by the extension config audit XML pattern. In this example, I've added two atomic attributes, code and random number, into the report. Code will be displayed as the unique code and random number will get the display text taken from the properties. Report is generated by the Audit View service. As the result, we have a Report View object with report as a payload. To add the object type attributes into report, you need to define them and link as reference attributes. With virtual attributes, you can include items that have link to your reported item, even if reported item has no link onto them. Sometimes simpler qualifier is not enough. For such cases, you can implement a virtual reference values extractor. Here you can see such implementation, where I build report value as a string, having training item properties together with the code of inner item. Extractor is declared as a Spring Bean and is referenced by identifier. To report items from many-to-many relations, use relation attribute. Report configurations are written per extension. Child extension can modify parent's configuration. By default, child configurations will be appended to the parents. The second option is to use a replace mode. This will remove any parent configurations and only child's will be left. According to the documentation, remove mode should remove only specified lines, but I couldn't see it working. XML is a very readable and convenient way to define the report configurations, but you can also write them in Java code. Audit Report Config class provides the builder that can help you to specify types and build whole report configuration. Such configuration is later passed to the Audit View service and report is ready. Let's wrap it up. Reporting is useful to get the information about the current state of data. Child extensions can override parents' report configurations. Reports are configured from the XML, but Java code configs will also work. That's it for the data reporting.